Come on, Tyler, show everyone your new shovel. Come on. Top shovel that, mate. Yeah, mate. Fucking hell, mate. You want to check what you're buying next time, don't you?
About the size of it.
It's not about the size. Yeah, it's what blokes with small cocks say. Lashing it down. Supposed to stop though. Well, about 8, so we'll wait around.
Oh, mate. I mean...
3, 4. That'll do you, isn't it? He never ceases to cheer me up. It's nice to have a new bucket though, isn't it, Tyler? Gonna keep this one clean, are you?
Yep.
Yep. Just need tipping it on the floor, look.
Oh, that's nice.
Is that nice, is it?
Bucket.
Just remember to keep washing it when you're not using it.
Yeah.
Look at that for a rainbow. Fucking hell. The wise words of Tyler Stenning. Vibrant as fuck. See, that's sun. Start getting that corner loaded with muck, Tyler.
Sorted.
Yeah, oh, well done. Tell Tom he can come round here and start jointing up. Well, just got to level it.
Your boots?
They're actually really comfy. I might pinch them off him.
Very sorry, you've got another set.
More start on the other side, Tom. It's in the wind. Right, corners up. It's going to run in a bit of that for this afternoon. It's 2:15, so I'm just going to run into one of the movement joints for the rest of the day. Right. No, it's just the one. Right, it's 3:30. Managed to get it up. The old sparrow boxes in there, they're soaking wet. We might have to touch them up in the morning. Probably still be wet in the morning, that. That's alright.
You have, I don't think I've had it. Sure, we can't get the truck and bring it down for doing that way.
Ah, it's good.
Taking care of his tools now.
Smooth but mighty. No. I like your outfit.
Stop.
Spin round?
No.
Spin round. No, don't show everyone.
Stop.
Nice potato. I don't want no lumps, alright? No fucking lumps. There's no meat left.
There's loads of meat left.
You've eaten all the meat all day, ain't you?
Yeah, mate.
Oh, look at that, look. Oh,
Sure you don't want a dumpling? They're really yummy.
Nah, I don't want dumpling. Oh, that looks banging. I'm hungry. Oh, yeah, baby.